out here with the lady stuff. Alright, so I'm making a prank on City Said the kid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm at Rose's right now, y'all, in the lingerie section. You know what I mean? We're here in the lingerie section here at Rose's, and I'm gonna play a prank on City Said the kid. You feel me? She normally get her undies from like Victoria's Secrets and Banana Republic, places like that. But so I came to Rose's and doing a prank on her, and I think I'm gonna get her real good because she's gonna look at them undies like, this ain't my undies, So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I think it's gonna be a really good one. I'm gonna get her, and we're gonna try to see her reaction, okay? But yeah, it's gonna be a good one. So we out here. I don't want to get I just need a single one. Yeah, this is it. So I'm just gonna get like a single one. So we'll see this is $1. So we'll get this one. Okay, so we're gonna get this one right here. Now it's just anything really. I'm not about to stay here too long, but I think this one would be a good one, and that'll be a really good one. And we're about to see what her reaction is gonna be. It's gonna be a good prank. All right, bye. What's up, y'all, man? I just got back in this thing from Roses. You know what I mean? Shout out to Roses. Let me give a little shout out one time. Roses, I'm just saying, can your boy get a little 6%, a little 8%? Better yet, let's do a little 7% and meet in the middle. No, I'm not greedy, man. I'm out here just shouting y'all out. Nah, shout out to Roses, man. You know what I'm saying? Showing your boy the little player deal. I'm talking about the dollar deal. I'm talking about $1 menu. Nah, I'm not kidding y'all for sure. This is definitely, you know what I'm saying, the dollar deal, the dollar, y'all. The dollar, y'all. A little dollar deal, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely digging that. Shout out to Roses. But no, she's gonna know that these aren't hers. You feel me? It ain't no name brand, and for sure it's a buck. But now we gotta take the little thing off of it so she don't know that it's bought. And we're gonna have to set up a little camera somewhere around here so she's not gonna know. You know what I'm saying? While we prep everything up. I also got a camera in the house, so I'm gonna ask her to grab something for me in the car. You know what I mean? Then she'll come in here and she'll lift up the little armrest and look in there. So deliberately that she's gonna see it, and hopefully we can catch a reaction. Now I just gotta set this camera up in here for a little good one. And then I got some upstairs too. But yeah, y'all, it's gonna be lit. I'm so excited. I'm talking about, that's my babe. But anyway, we gonna prank her real good. And we're gonna try to get a reaction. You dig? For sure, y'all. Stay tuned. A-Town, peace up. A-Town down, man. All right, guys, we're here. I got the camera all prepped up and ready to go. All right, and see what happens. You ready? Camera, lights, camera, action. Babe. Can you do me a favor? Come here. Yeah, can you do me a favor? Your fly is open. Can you do me a favor?
Huh?
Can you do me a favor?
What?
Can you grab my wallet out of my car? I gotta pay some bill. I gotta pay these credit card bills. I almost forgot.
Why? Right now?
Mm-hmm.
You called me all the way down here. So,
You grab my wallet?
yeah.
Alright, if you don't mind. Is that okay?
Sure. Where's your key?
Right there. Thank you.
Yep. What the hell? So you made me go to your car, get your wallet.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Those are yours, aren't they?
Gia, don't act dumb. Don't. Just don't. These were willingly put in the console for me to see. Either the female you had in your car put them so I couldn't see them, and I seen them. Why are you acting like that? Why? Why are you doing all that extra shit? Answer me.
Because I thought those was yours.
No, you look guilty as hell right now. Like, you're literally acting guilty as hell.
They're not yours?
Hello? No, they're not. So whose are these? What female did you have in your car? Because they hid this. Either you or the female hid the underwear in the console underneath this wallet. Hello?
I think you're trying to play me. I think you're trying to play me because I don't know why a female undies would be in my car.
I do not got time.
Is it yours?
Gia,
And you're just trying to act like it's mine.
Stop.
Okay.
Whose underwear? What female did you have in your car? Period.
I didn't have.
Yes, you did. These are not mine. So who? I need answers right now. What?
Let me see.
Take them. Whose underwear are they? Like, you're really making me mad and you're trying to blame me.
Because sometimes you know how you be trying to prank me and stuff.
I don't care.
I mean, at least it's not a fat girl. Isn't this your size?
Wow. It's not a fat girl.
I mean, fat girls need love too, but I'm saying, I
don't
like them all.
care.
I don't like.
Why are you telling me that?
I'm just saying,
why were they in your car?
I don't know.
Why were they in your car?
I don't know. I didn't have nobody
yes, you
there.
do know. Why are they in your car?
I didn't have nobody in my car.
Gia, you're lying to me.
I don't do stuff
you're
like that.
You're lying to me.
Somebody
was in your car. Period. Somebody was in your car.
I mean, there are kind of nice pants.
Whoever put it there, make sure I wasn't going to see them because it was hidden. Okay? What don't you get? Either you or whatever female you brought into the car did it on purpose for me to see them.
Well, I'm sorry.
No, sorry my ass. I need answers right now.
I'm saying I'm sorry as in I literally think this is yours and you're trying to come at me because I don't do stuff like that.
They're not mine.
But I don't do stuff like that.
You don't do such. Okay.
I don't do stuff like that. No.
Really?
That's your undies.
Whose underwear are them? Quit playing me right now. Like,
Okay.
I'm dead ass.
Okay.
You know, it's
Okay.
not a game.
Okay.
It's not a joke.
All right.
So
All
why are you
right.
smiling?
I'm not smiling.
Yes, you are.
Because I think they're yours.
Bruh, like, you're a joke. Whose are they?
I think they're yours, and you acting okay.
They're not my Gio. You
Okay.
know my underwear.
All right. All right.
Do you want me to go get my underwear?
No. I'm saying okay. All right.
Do you
All
want
right.
me to go show you my
No,
underwear?
I know. I get it. Like I get it. Okay, it's cool.
It's
What
not cool. Don't
Okay.
say it's cool. 'Cause
Okay, it's not.
It's nowhere near
It's
cool.
okay. It's not cool.
This shit is not cool
I
at
know.
all.
All right, I know it's not cool, but I
Like,
don't.
I'm pissed. You made me do a favor for you and find out you had a female in your car with undies.
Why am I even touching it if it's not mine? Okay.
Gio, I'm not playing with you, dude. I want answers. Like, you're acting like a kid.
Okay.
Childish as hell.
All right. Real shit though, like on some real shit though, like I'm sorry. Like I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Like
That's it? You're sorry?
I mean,
Whose underwear are they?
some girl that I used to.
A girl.
I mean, I guess she was trying to purposely put the undies there for you to find out, but I just think that's so female.
So you had a female in your car.
I mean, she just was actually just, okay. All right. It's a prank.
Gio.
It's a prank.
Gio.
Babe,
Gio.
it's a prank.
Get away from
Babe,
me. Get away from me.
It's a prank.
Get away from me.
It's a prank.
Get away from me.
It's a prank.
Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me.
It's a prank. Listen, quit. It's a prank. Okay, it's a prank. It's really a prank. Look, the camera's running. Look,
I
the
don't
camera's right there.
care, dude.
All right. Okay, the camera's right here. Look. Oh my gosh.
How do I know that?
The camera's right
How do
here.
I know that? How do I know that?
Okay, the camera's right here. I'm sorry. All right, I'm sorry. You got it.
Yeah, you're lucky. There
You got
ain't
it.
That's
Did-
disgusting. I'm not even
Did
gonna
I?
smell that shit.
No, you don't
that
have to
shit better
smell.
smell brand new.
And I think I got you good, babe, because
I'm
payback,
over it. I'm
payback,
over it.
payback. I got you good. So you was mad. Was you big mad or was you
Dude,
little mad?
Get away from me.
Was you big mad or was you little mad?
Get away from me.
Hmm?
Get away from me. Bro, I haven't done a prank on you, so you just started war. You know that. He just started war, guys. Paybacks, yeah. Like,
So did I get you good?
no, you didn't get me at all.
I think I got you pretty good.
I don't want them, so don't think you're gonna give them to me.
All right, y'all. I think I got it real good, and she was so pissed.
Yeah, I was livid, y'all.
If y'all really like that video, y'all like that prank, go subscribe right there. If y'all really digging that video, y'all definitely go and help us, support us. Y'all like that video, y'all subscribe. Please hit the smash button. You know what I'm saying? Smash it out one time, man. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Continue watching. Stay tuned for more content.